Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I'm gonna make Phad woon sen. Let's start by soaking the glass noodle in very warm water for like 5 to 7 minutes. And we just set this aside for later use. I got these glass noodles at my local Walmart store, but you could buy it in any Asian store. Today I'm using chicken thighs. You can use whatever you like. I know lots of people that use shrimp. I'm one of those people. But I don't have any shrimp right now in my freezer, so the chicken will do. After the chicken thigh is cut up, I'm going to marinate it in thin soy sauce, black pepper, and just mix that up. And just set it aside for later. Now let's get our vegetables ready. I have an onion that I'm only going to use half, and I'm just going to thinly slice it. Isn't this vegetable peeler so cute? My friend gifted me the vegetable peeler when she went to California a couple months ago. I think it's so adorable. And I am also going to add some bell peppers. Any color is fine. I just have the red and orange in my fridge, so that's what I'm gonna use. Also cutting up some celery to add to the Phad woon sen. And here's a vegetable plate that we got ready. Now let's pre-mix our sauce. In the bowl, I already have the oyster sauce, and now I'm just adding the dark soy sauce. I'm going to add sugar because I just like a little bit of sweetness to mine. And just give it a good mix and set it aside for later. So in this frying pan, I just added cooking oil, and once that's hot, I added my garlic, and I just lightly cook that until it's golden brown, and then I add the chicken. The chicken that I added was the chicken that we pre-mixed earlier with the light thin soy sauce and the black pepper. Once the chicken is fully cooked, you want to add in your vegetables. First, I add in the onion, and then our sliced carrot, bell pepper, the celery. Don't forget to add the glass noodle that we soaked earlier in very warm water. Remember the sauce that I pre-mixed earlier that consists of dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar? You want to add that in the pan right now, and you want to give it a good mix until the noodle is cooked. See how the glass noodle is like golden brown? That's because it's from the dark soy sauce. Doesn't that look so yummy? We're almost done. Keep on stirring until the noodle is cooked. The glass noodle does not take long to cook. Just stir fry it for like 4 or 5 minutes. Now we are done. I just topped this off with some sliced green onion. Please let me know in the comments if you would try making this Phad woon sen dish.